Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the price on booking.com. Whether you're looking to adjust your search dates to find better rates or compare different room types to get the best deal. Understanding how to navigate pricing options will help you make the most informed booking decision. First, open a web browser and head over to booking.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to search for your destination and dates to find available hotels. Enter your location in the search bar, select your check-in and check-out dates, and hit search. This will bring up a list of available properties based on your criteria. From the results list, select a hotel that catches your eye. Click on the hotel name to open its detail page, where you'll be able to see comprehensive information about the property, including photos, amenities, and most importantly, pricing options. The layout may vary slightly depending on your device, but the hotel name is always your gateway to the full details. Now scroll down to the price section or look for the rate card displayed on the page. This is where you'll see the available price ranges for different room types. Click on a specific room type or rate plan that you're considering to open its price details. Here you'll get a clear breakdown of the nightly rate for your selected dates, along with any additional taxes or fees that might apply. If you want to see how prices change across different dates, simply adjust the dates in the top search bar. Many listings will show you a calendar view that displays price variations, making it easy to spot cheaper days or identify when rates spike. This flexibility allows you to optimize your travel dates around your budget. Take some time to compare different room types or rate plans within the same hotel. You'll often find that upgrading or downgrading a room can significantly impact the total cost. Once you've settled on your preferred date range and room type, click View Deal or the equivalent booking button to proceed. This will take you to the booking summary page where you can review all the details before committing to payment. On the summary page, double-check that the price matches what you expected and that all the dates and room details are correct. This is your final chance to confirm you're getting the rate you intended. If everything looks good, you can proceed to payment, or if you're just exploring options, simply close the page or return to the search results. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.